Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in for today's tutorial. If you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for coming back, and if you are new to my channel, thank you also for tuning in. Please do make sure to subscribe to my channel and also put on the post notification bell so you don't miss any upload from me. So for today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how I do my oil mix. So let's get started. So I will be talking you guys through the importance and the benefits of the oils that I use in my oil mix. So the first on the list is the jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is almost identical to human sebum, the oil naturally produced by the sebaceous glands of your skin, making it a reparative ingredient for a compromised moisture barrier. Due to its nutrient-rich structure, jojoba oil can help to moisturize and condition hair by penetrating its outer cuticle. It's fair to say that jojoba delivers hydration to strands without disrupting your scalp's natural pH balance. Similarly, jojoba oil will not cause your scalp to produce more or less of its own oil, so you can expect it to moisturize your hair without leaving it overly greasy. Jamaican black castor oil has antibacterial and moisturizing properties that can treat a large amount of hair problems. Jamaican black castor oil can be used to treat hair loss, scalp issues such as dandruff, dry itchy scalp, and eczema. It can be used to detangle hair or treat split ends. Black castor oil is rich in nutrients such as vitamin E, omega-6, and omega-9 fatty acids that help strengthen hair follicles. Omega-6 and omega-9 fatty acid in black castor oil can also improve blood circulation to the scalp and strengthen the hair roots, making your hair thicker, fuller, and shinier. Lavender, tea tree, and peppermint oil are all in the same category. They are all essential oils. The outstanding qualities of peppermint oil makes it one of the active ingredients in my oil mix. Its cooling and tingling sensation helps with blood circulation, which is one of the factors that promotes hair growth. Grapeseed contains linoleic acid. Linoleic acid is not produced naturally by the human body, but people typically get this oil from fortified food. When an individual don't get enough linoleic acid, it can lead to dry scalp and hair. And what happens if your hair is dry and your scalp is dry as well? It leads to hair loss. So using grapeseed oil is a substitute for fortified food. Guys, this is a must-have, especially if you live in this part of the world. Glycerin is a humectant, meaning it draws moisture from the environment around it to itself. This is a very good product that should be added to your oil mix, especially if you live in a country that the humidity is really low. It is a must-have because it will draw the moisture from the environment to your hair. I have run out of mine because I love it so much. I use it a lot and I've placed my orders on Amazon, but I haven't received it because of these Rona issues. May God help us. We all know the almighty olive oil. So this is olive oil. Olive oil moisturizes your hair and reduces scalp irritation, which further reduces dandruff. So olive oil is good. Like, you eat it, you can use it on your skin, you can use it for your hair, and yeah. Here I'm just showing you guys that the oil I'm using is pure, as you can see from the ingredients list. So I'll go on and start mixing my oils, so you guys should just keep on watching and enjoy my oil mix process. So guys, this is what I've been using and that has worked for me, myself, and my daughter. Like, everyone around me knows that my daughter suffered severe scalp irritation, and since we started using this oil mix, like, everything has changed. Of course, we have our wash day routine, we do hot oil treatment and protein treatment when needed, but I know that this oil mix has really changed the game for us. So guys, I'll just finish off with mixing my oil. I decided to make this video to help people who are battling with dry, bristle, hair and scalp, severe scalp irritation and hair loss. I hope that it gets to the right people, and I hope that it helps one way or the other as well. So after mixing the oils, I went ahead to shake everything together. These are all the oils I use. In case you are interested in buying any of it or buying everything, you can take a picture. And I usually use this spray bottle for my daughter, and I use this applicator bottle for myself because I usually wear weaves, wig, crochet, and so this applicator bottle is really good. And I also have this applicator bottle as well that I use for my hot oil treatment. I'm just showing it to you guys. I use this pink one for my hot oil application. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.